Hello guys, bubukas tayo ng mga appliances, then itatry natin kung gumagana. First is itong induction cooker.
Wow!
Yan, buksan natin. Be careful. Big box.
Big bag.
Oh no.
Oh, this is our. Wow!
Wow.
Sharpie si Mami na.
Choppy.
Ano?
Choppy. Wow. Induction cooker. Next is itong heater. Buksan natin.
Thank you po sa nabigyan.
Heater. Wow.
Daddy, too.
Ito na daw to. Wow.
Anin?
Look.
What?
So hot. Dual. Yeah.
Super.
Blender. Hanabishi. Super blender. Third natin nga open is blender. And it's heavy. Blender. Oh, pagkagaling ni Mia. Wow.
Thank you, Ninang.
Wow, strong. Strong. Blender. Open, Daddy.
Open.
Please. Oh no. Be careful. Wow. Blender.
Ano ba yun?
Induction cooker. Next, blender. Next is heater. Oh. Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Yan guys, tinry na nga pala naman kung gumagana. Gumana naman yung lutuan. Next naman namin sinubukan itong heater kung gumagana. Ayan, gumana naman siya. Third is itong blender. Ayan, success, lahat gumagana. Thank you guys for watching.